Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bicana. If you're new here, make sure you give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe for more. And also, if you're subscribed or if you just subscribed, make sure you make sure you click the notification bell for more, and that you never miss an episode. Anyways, yeah. So today I'll be doing a get to know me tag. I found these questions on the internet and I think that they'd be very interesting. I do have some more questions from you guys that I do plan on answering in another video, but for now we're just gonna answer some random questions so you can get to know me. And please excuse the wind if you hear any animals in the background, or if you see somebody walk by, run by, or make any noise. I'm outside and this is the best that I can do with good lighting. So the first question is, after a breakup, would you rather be alone or surrounded by friends? So after a breakup, I think and here comes someone. After breakup, I wouldn't mind being around friends, but I'd also like my alone time. So the next question is, are you high maintenance? I think this is regarded more to like a relationship. I wouldn't call myself high maintenance. I'm a very simple person, but you know, if you want to take me out to dinner, then that's nice, or if you want to buy me gifts, then that's nice, but I don't require it. Question after that would be, are you inclined to build your own empire or unleash the potential of others? So I am more inclined to build my own empire, but I wouldn't be opposed to helping others unleash their potential as well. Are you more likely to avoid conflict or engage it head on? I think I'm more likely to, it depends on the conflict, but I'm more likely to avoid conflict. Like I said, it depends on what it is, because I will engage it head on if it's something that truly resonates with me. But other than that, no, it's not worth my time. Are your grandparents still married? Yes, my grandparents are still married. At what age did you go on your first date? I don't remember specifically what age I went. I don't remember what age specifically I went on my first date, but I think it was around when I was probably 16 or 17. Probably, no, not 16. So probably when I was 17, 18 is when I went on my first date. Can you close your eyes and raise your eyebrows? Can you dance? Listen, I can dance when I'm really comfortable around you and you know I want to dance, or like if I drank a little bit, then my body is a little bit more inclined to be loose and just have fun and dance, but I don't dance around just anybody. Can you do a split? Yes, I can do a split. Can you touch your nose with your tongue? No, I can't. I can't. Can you whistle? Yeah. Describe yourself in a single sentence. Well, next question. I'm just kidding. Bicana is a independent female who values her family and friends, semicolon. She is funny and kind and smart. ... She wants to see the best for others and for herself. ... just is enthusiastic and wants to see the world. Yeah. It's a run-on sentence. Do you believe in love at first sight? No, I don't believe in love at first sight. Reason being, a lot of the people that I've grown to love, I didn't love them at first sight. You know, it took a while. I feel like you have to get to know someone. You can be attracted to someone at first sight. But love at first sight, no. Probably my mom, you know, when she first saw me, when I first saw her. Do you have a tattoo? Yes, I have one tattoo, and it's right. I don't think you can. It's on the side of my arm, and I know people are gonna ask. It says, "Be the change you wish to see in the world." Yeah, I might get more. Do you have a whole lot of acquaintances or just a few close friends? I do have a lot of acquaintances, but I also have close friends. Not everyone is my close friend. Why? Because wherever I go, I'm gonna meet people. I'm gonna have acquaintances wherever I go, you know? Like if I go somewhere and I meet someone and then we keep up the communication, that's my acquaintance. I'm not gonna call you my close friend, but I do have close friends because reasons being they're my close friends. Do you have any allergies? I don't have any allergies that I'm aware of. No, I'm not really allergic to anything. So maybe if I come across something in the future, then, but not right now. Do you have any birthmarks? If so, where? I have several birthmarks. Majority of them are like on my abdomen, closer towards my back. Do you prefer kissing or cuddling? Depends. It depends. I prefer, if I really, 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 really like you, then I prefer kissing. But overall, cuddling. Because, you know, you can just cuddle and be in your own world. Like, you can't kiss non-stop, you know. But cuddling, you can just always cuddle. I think that's really cute. Do you prefer that people shoot straight with you or temper their words? I prefer you just tell me as it is. I don't like feeling unaware of what's like, you know, people's emotions and feelings towards me. I'd rather them just shoot it straight. Do you prefer Titanic or The Notebook? I love both. I prefer The Notebook though. Titanic was great, but when I watched The Notebook for the first time, amazing. Nicholas Sparks is a great writer. I've watched some of his other movies, and I have like one of his books that I just didn't finish reading, but he is a great writer. He's a great writer. I like his storylines. And that's why I love birthday cards so much. Cards in general so much because of The Notebook, when he wrote her all those letters, and you know, at the end of the movie, if you never watched it, I'm not gonna ruin it for you, but that's why I love cards so much, because memories. Do you really know all the words to your national anthem? Unfortunately, I don't. I don't know all the words to the Jamaican national anthem, and I don't know all the words to the American national anthem. Girl, I barely know all the words to my favorite song, and the national anthem isn't even my favorite song. I know it in conjunction with other people. I can say it straight with other people. From the top of my head alone, no. Do you save old greeting cards and letters, or do you throw them away? I save old greeting cards and letters because of, you know, one of my previous answers. Yeah. Do you see the glass half empty or half full? I see the glass as half full. I think every time I look at it, I don't ever think, you know, that's half empty. I'm like, there's juice in it, it's half full. Do you sing in the shower? Yes, I do. I always have music playing in the shower. Always, 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 always. And I've noticed a lot of my friends and my cousins do this. Well, I haven't really noticed my cousins, but I've noticed a lot of my friends do the same thing. Do you sleep with lights on or off? I sleep with the light on, but I'll wake up and turn off the lights, or I'm grateful when someone walks by and they notice that I'm sleeping and turn it off. But to fall asleep, I normally fall asleep with it on, unless I'm on the bed using the computer. Then I prefer the lights off. I just prefer some type of light shining in the room before I get to my bed. Do you spell the color as gray, Grey, or gray, Gray? I normally spell it as Grey. Have you ever visited a country outside of your continent? Yes, I have. Jamaica is more Central America. Like there's only two North America and South America. So Jamaica is more North America. I have been to Europe. Have you ever won a trophy or an award? What was it for? Over my school career, I've won quite a lot of awards, and I did win trophies for track. Well, not trophies, but medals for track. I won a lot of awards. I don't really remember specifically what they were for. Have you ever forgiven yourself for past personal failures? Why or why not? Yes, I have forgiven myself for past personal failures because I can't let that hold me back from achieving something great in the future. Have you read any of the Harry Potter, Hunger Games, or Twilight series? Which one is your favorite? I haven't read any of them. I did have a book for Harry Potter that was gifted to me. Never read it. But I have watched all of the movies for Harry Potter, Hunger Games, and Twilight. My favorite is Harry Potter. Yeah. And if I can't go back now, I obviously would read all these books, but not going to. I would listen to the audiobook though. I do love Harry Potter and I have listened to the audiobook for Harry Potter. How old do you think you'll be when you get married? I don't know. I don't know how old I'll be. I know no time soon because one, I don't think anyone's gonna propose to me, and two, I don't think I'm gonna say yes if anyone proposed to me right now. So, no idea. If you become a multi-millionaire overnight, what would you buy? First thing, I would pay off my school loans, and second thing, I would pay off my mother's loans. I wouldn't buy anything. Those are the first two things I'd do. And then I would invest some of the money in, like the stock market, real estate, those type of things. But after that, then, making sure everyone's good. I'd buy a house. Yeah, I'd buy a house. If you could change one thing about the world, regardless of guilt or politics, what would you do? I would change the hate that we have in the world. I think so many things stem from hate. Yeah. That's about it. And that's the final question. So I hope you guys have learned a little bit about me from those questions. If you saw anything in the background, yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you are staying safe with this coronavirus going on. I don't know when I'll be able to upload this video, probably in a couple weeks from now, or I don't know. But make sure you are staying safe. Make sure you like this video, drop some comments down below of anything you want to comment, share some information about you. I would love to get to know you guys. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video. Thank you guys very much and have a great day and stay safe.